Hello everyone.
Hello
Let we
everyone.
start a
Let we
subject called
start a
compiler
subject called
design.
compiler
Let we
design.
discuss the
Let we discuss the
topic called
topic
introduction of a
called
compiler
introduction of a
or
compiler
phases
or
of a compiler or
phases of a
structure
compiler
of a
or structure
compiler.
of a
Let we
compiler.
discuss about
Let we
the first of
discuss
all
about the
introduction to
first of all
compiler.
introduction
First of
to
all, what is
compiler.
a
First of all,
compiler?
what is
A
a
compiler is a
compiler?
programmer
A compiler is a programmer
which translates from
which translates from
source code
source code
from one language to the
from one language to the
another. That is called
another.
as
That is called
source
as
program means we
source
have to
program
use
means
as
we
an
have to
input
use as an
that is
input
called as a
that is called as
mission
a
dependent
mission
program
dependent
and a
program
target program that is
and a
called
target
as
program
a
that is called
mission
as a
independent
mission
program.
independent
So that
program.
is called as
So that is called
user
as
information
user
of the
information
output.
of the
Source
output.
program as
Source
given
program
as the
as
input
given
to the
as the
user.
input to the user.
So a
So
compiler we have
a
to
compiler
translate
we have to
entire program
translate
into
entire program into
one language to the
one
another. That
language
is
to the
called as,
another. That is called
for
as,
example, we have to
for example, we
take
have
a
to
C
take a
programming.
C programming.
First, this C
First,
programming of
this
entire
C programming
information
of
of the
entire
data
information of the
can
data
be taken
can
as
be
a
taken as a
source code that is called as an
source
input
code
to
that
the
is called as
user,
an input to
and
the
the
user,
compiler we
and the
have to
compiler
compile
we
the
have to
errors that
compile
is
the
called as
errors
check
that is
the
called as check
entire
the
information
entire
at a time.
information
That
at
is
a
called
time.
as a
That is called
compilation
as a
process. This
compilation process.
compilation process to
This
the
compilation
mission
process to
code
the
that is
mission
called as
code
high
that is
level
called as
language.
high level
A
language.
compiler can
A
translate with
compiler
high
can
level
translate
language
with a high
to
level
low
language
level
to
language.
low
Okay.
level language. Okay.
And the next, we have to
And the
discuss
next, we
another
have to discuss
in the
another
subtopic called
in the
phases of a
subtopic called
compiler. First of
phases
all,
of a
these
compiler.
are known
First of
as
all,
structure
these
of a
are known as
compiler.
structure
First
of
of
a
all, what is the structure
compiler.
of a
First of
compiler
all,
means?
what
We
is the
have to
structure
use
of
as
a
a
compiler means? We have to use
machine
as a
dependent and language
machine
independent
dependent
process,
and language
and
independent
has the
process,
compiler
and
has two
and
additional
has the
activities is
compiler
there.
has two
First of
additional
all,
activities is
symbol
there.
table
First of
management
all,
and
a
another one
symbol
that is
table
called as a
management and another
error
one that
handler
is called as a
method.
error handler method.
These are the two activities
These are
mainly
the
in the
two
compiler,
activities
and
mainly in
additional
the compiler,
different parts
and
of the
additional
compilers are
different
there.
parts
That
of
is
the
called as
compilers
six
are
phases
there.
of
That
the
is called
compiler.
as
Six
six
phases of
phases
the
of the
compiler
compiler.
can be
Six
divided
phases
into
of the
two
compiler
parts.
can be
These two
divided
parts
into
are called as
two parts. These two parts are
analysis
called
phase
as
and synthesis phase.
analysis phase
Parts
and
and segments and
synthesis
sectors are
phase.
also
Parts
known
and
as
segments and sectors are
phases.
also known as
Okay, each phases
phases.
can
Okay,
transfer from the
each
source
phases
program
can transfer
and
from the
represents it
source
to the
program and
another
represents it
program.
to the another program.
These entire
These
data
entire data
can be
can be
divided into two
divided
additional
into
parts that
two
is called
additional
as
parts that is
analysis
called
phase
as
and
analysis phase and
synthesis phase.
synthesis
Analysis
phase.
phase means we
Analysis
have to
phase
use as the
means we
entire
have to
data from
use
the
as the entire
source
data
code
from the
of input of the data.
source code of
And
input of the data.
after then,
And
this
after
analysis
that,
phase can
this
be the
analysis
input to
phase
the
can be the
what are the
input to the
analysis phase of the
what are the
output can
analysis
be
phase
the
of the
input to the
output can be
uh,
the input to the
synthesis phase of the
uh,
information.
synthesis phase of the information.
First of all, what is the
First of all,
symbol
what is
table?
the symbol table?
This is called as the entire structure of
This
the
is the entire structure
compiler,
of
and it is
the
also known as the
compiler, and
entire phases of
it is
the
also known as the
compiler. It is
entire
a
phases of
block
the
diagram of the
compiler. It
entire
is a block
data.
diagram of the
And
entire
what are the
data.
different stages? Means
And
we have to
what
use
are the different stages? Means we have to use
previously we have to discuss the two
previously we have
stages
to
of the
discuss
compiler that
the
is called as
two stages
analysis
of the
phase
compiler
and
that is called as
synthesis phase.
analysis
First of
phase
all,
and
what is the analysis phase?
synthesis phase.
Analysis
First of
phase
all,
is
what
nothing
is
but
the
that is called as
analysis
a
phase?
front
Analysis
end
phase is nothing
process.
but that is called as a
Entire
front
information
end
of the input,
process.
whatever we have to use
Entire information of the
in the
input,
input
whatever
of
we
the
have to
program, that is
use
called as a
in the
front end
input
method.
of the program, that
And
is
what
called
are
as
the
a
compilation
front
process?
end
What
method.
are the checking
And
methods
what are
that
the
are
compilation process?
involved
What are
in
the
the
checking methods that
backend
are
process, that is called
involved
as
in
a
the
synthesis
backend
process.
process, that is called
Front end
as
is
a
also known
synthesis
as a
process.
mission
Front
dependent
end
and
is also
language
known as a
independent process.
mission dependent and language independent
And
process.
whatever the backend process is called
And
as the
whatever the backend
mission
process is called
independent
as the
and
mission
language dependent process.
independent
Both front
and
and
language
back-end
dependent
process are
process.
called as the
Both
vice
front end
versa
back
process.
end process are called as the vice
Let
versa
know the different
process.
types of phases. So
Let know the
each and
different
every
types of
one we
phases.
discuss
So
in a detailed
each
way.
and every one we discuss in a detailed way.
First of all, lexical analysis.
First
Lexical
of all,
analysis,
lexical
we have
analysis.
entire data
Lexical
of the input
analysis,
of the
we have
program can
entire
be
data of the input of the
divided
program
into
can
the
be
parts. Parts is
divided
called
into
as
the
a
parts.
sectors.
Parts
This
is
and
called as
lexical
a
analyzer, we
sectors.
have
This
to
and lexical
scan the
analyzer, we have to
entire
scan
programming.
the entire programming.
These program can be divided into
This
number
program
of
can be
parts.
divided
These
into
parts
number
is
of
called
stars.
other
These spots is
called
called
as
as
the
the called
lexemes.
the
Lexemes means we have to the
lexemes.
meaningful
Lexemes means we
character
have to
of
the
the
meaningful
string.
character of the string.
And another one that is called as also
And
known
another
as
one that is
pattern.
called as also
Pattern
known as
means
pattern.
already
Pattern
saved
means
in the
already
compilers.
saved in the compilers.
And another one that is called
And
as a
another
tokens.
one that is called as
Tokens
a
means
tokens.
what are the
Tokens
lexemes we
means
have to
what are
matches with
the
the
lexemes we
pattern
have to
with the result that is
matches
called
with the
as a
pattern
token.
with the
For
result
example,
that is called as
a
a
token is
token.
called as a
For
string
example,
character.
a token is called as a string character.
Entire ID addresses of the
Entire
lexemes is called
ID
as a
addresses of
token.
the lexemes is called as a token.
This is the
This is
structural
the
view of the
structural view
lexical
of the
analysis
lexical
that is called
analysis.
as
That
both
is called as
lexemes
both
and
lexemes and
character streams
character
that is
streams.
called as a
That is called as
tokens.
a
Entire
tokens.
data of the symbol
Entire
table
data of the
can be
symbol
used
table
as
can be used
zeros
as
and ones. Say
zeros and ones.
this
Say
symbol table is the
this
same
symbol
as
table
like
is the same as like
your
as
memory.
your
Bulk
memory.
of them,
Bulk
bulk of data we have
bulk
to
of data
access
we have to
and
access
retrieve the
and
information
retrieve
from
the
the
information
symbol
from the
table to the
symbol table
input
to
of
the
the
input
lexical
of the lexical
analysis.
analysis.
And the next one that is
And
called
the next
as
one that is called
this
as
symbol table
this
is
symbol
has a
table is
serial
has a
number
serial number
and a variable name
and
and
a variable
variable
name
type.
and variable type.
These are
These
both are
are
involved
both are
in the
involved
lexical
in the
analysis.
lexical
This lexical
analysis. This
analysis,
lexical
whatever part is
analysis,
called as
whatever
a
part is called as
scanner.
a scanner.
And the next one,
And the
this
next
is the
one,
example of the
this is the example of the
lexical analysis that is called as the
lexical
operand
analysis
and
that
the
is called as the
operator
operand
and
and
the
the operator
character of the
and
string.
character of the string.
This is the block
This
diagram
is the
and
block
the
diagram
equation
and
part of the
equation part
lexical
of
analysis.
the
Entire
lexical
information of the
analysis.
data that is called
Entire
as can be
information of the data that is
represented
called
with
as
the
can be
addresses that
represented
is
with the
called as
addresses
identifiers.
that is called as identifiers.
Identifiers whatever A and B,
Identifiers
C or the
whatever A
alphabetical
and B, C or the
or character
alphabetical
streams is called as
or
addresses
character
and the
streams is called as
operators we
addresses
have to use that is called as
and the
arithmetical and logical.
operators we have to
Whatever
use that
apparatus
is
we
called
have
as
to use
arithmetical
in
and
the
logical.
input of the
Whatever
data that is
apparatus we have
called
to
that
use in
entire
the
data
input
can
of
be
the data
divided
that is
into
called that
parts. That
entire
parts is
data
called
can
as a
be divided
segments and
into
the that
parts.
part is
That
called
part
as
is
a
called as a segments and
sectors.
that part is called as a sectors.
And the next one that is called as a
And the next one
second
that is
phase of the
called as
compiler
a
that is called as a
second phase of the
syntax
compiler that is called as a
analyzer.
syntax
Syntax analyzer
analyzer.
means that
Syntax
nothing
analyzer
but we
means that
have to
nothing but we have to
entire syntax analyzing
entire
of the
syntax analyzing of the
can be the
can
output
be
of the
the
lexical
output of
analyzer
the
we
lexical
have to use
analyzer
as a
we have to
input to
use
the
as a input to
syntax
the
analyzer.
syntax
Syntax
analyzer.
analyzer
Syntax
is
analyzer
same as
is
a token
same
of
as
the
a
strings.
token of the
This token of the
strings.
strings
This
of the
token of the strings of
entire
the
grammar can be
entire grammar
generated
can
like
be
a
generated like a
syntax tree.
syntax tree.
Another name of the
Another
syntax
name of
analyzer
the
is
syntax
also known
analyzer is
as a
also known as
parser of the
parser
tree.
of the tree.
This is the
This is the
syntax of the
syntax
syntax tree
of
of
the
a
syntax tree
structure.
of a structure.
For example,
For example,
I have taken a
I taken a program called ID
that equation part
that
that is called as a
equation part that is
context
called as a
free
context
grammar or
free
equation
grammar
that
or
is called as
equation that is called
ax
as
square plus
ax
bx plus
square plus
c
bx
into
plus
16
c into
is the
16
example.
is
So
the
that's why
example. So
we have
that's
to
why
use
we
a,
have
b,
to
c
use
or the
A, B, C or
identifiers
the identifiers
and 60 is the
and
constant
60 is the
value.
constant
So
value.